I am all about celebration and I'm all about life. Give you the nuts, cause you know what that is, right? Hashtag that soul big Tuesday. And yes, indeed, we will put on a show you never seen before. Yes, indeed, it is Taylor Tuesday, live from Islamabad, baby. Long live the Reaper, and long live our family. Oh, yes, indeed, Deborah, Doreen, Chris, Barbara, how you doing Tuesday? Yes, indeed, last day live from Islamabad, feeling that Bollywood music all day long. So yes, indeed, baby, we'll dance. And yes, indeed, we are all about the romance. Ellie, thank you. Aunt Michelle, appreciate you. Doreen, Aunt Doreen, and our family. Tanya, thank you. Love you. Appreciate you all from the bottom of my heart. Cause yes, indeed, we've been here from the start. So we'll shake it, baby. Live from Islamabad. Good evening, good afternoon, and you gotta have faith. Good times are coming, and you know it is a hashtag Teller Tuesday, and we are live, baby, from Islamabad. So Maria, thank you. Sammy, love everything you post. Love this Sons of Liberty, true North Original family community, the most. Yes, indeed, Islamabad, Pakistan, the greatest country in the world, just like our family community. Bang, bang. Oh yeah, I can't stop dancing because I got that Bollywood music in my heart and soul. So Sammy, Sandra, appreciate you. Carolyn Pixar, Candace, all of our beautiful La Familia worldwide. Aunt Michelle, Barbara, thank you. Tanya, love it. Good times are here, and I hope you know I appreciate you all from the bottom of my heart. Love you all. Hashtag Teller Tuesday.